Okay, question. Why does giving compliments sometimes feel so awkward?
Because half the time, people sound like they're buttering toast.
Exactly. Like instead of being real, it's just fake flattery.
A good
Uh-huh.
compliment builds connection. But the trick is
Really, right?
keep it genuine, keep
Hmm.
it specific, and keep it light. You know, compliments are like sunlight for the soul.
Hmm.
Let me tell you a story. Years ago, I had three little plants. Same species, same soil, same water, same sunlight. But I treated them differently. To the first one, I spoke kind, encouraging words every day. To the second, I said negative things. And to the third, I stayed silent. Months later, the difference was shocking. The positive one, blooming with flowers. The negative one, always weak and sick. The silent one, alive, but never really thriving. That's people too. Words feed us.
Uh-huh.
A genuine compliment can help someone blossom.
Really, right?
Fake ones, they hurt more than silence.
Wait, are you saying we're basically houseplants with Wi-Fi?
Not wrong.
Really,
And just
right?
like plants, when and how you give the compliment matters.
Hmm.
Sometimes you just want to keep it safe and simple, like, you look nice, or good job. That's okay, but it won't make much impact. Other times you can make it feel real and natural by being specific. I love your style. It really suits you. Or you nailed that presentation. Even something small like, this tea is amazing, you're a pro, feels warmer because it's personal. And then there are the moments where you want to go deeper, where your words actually stick.
Ooh, great.
That's when you say things like, the way you explained that was so clear. I really learned something. Or, you always bring such good energy to the group. Even noticing something unique, like, that color really brings out your eyes, can mean a lot more than a generic, you look nice.
Oh, so it's about tuning the compliment to the moment, like choosing the right water for the right plant.
Exactly. Words are free, but the right ones, they're priceless.
So a quick recap. Basic compliment. You look nice. Good job. That was great. Modern, natural upgrades. I love your style. It really suits you. You nailed that presentation. This tea you made is amazing. You're a pro. It's advanced, contextual, more meaningful. The way you explained that was so clear, I really learned something. You always bring good energy to the group. That color really brings out your eyes.
Your laugh makes the whole hut feel brighter. It's contagious.
Your storytelling skills? Honestly, you make even a boring trip sound like an adventure.
Sarah,
Better? I love your style. It really suits you.
Oh, thank you, Alex. That's so sweet.
You three bring such a positive vibe, makes teaching easy. And you'll see, people don't just hear compliments, they feel them.
See? Compliments don't have to be weird. They can be real and simple.
And trust me, people can spot fake ones. So keep it genuine.
Try these phrases in your next conversation.
Basic, you look nice.
Modern. I love your style. It really suits you.
Basic, you are beautiful.
Modern. You look stunning. Amazing today.
Basic, you did well.
Modern. You totally nailed it.
Basic, good job.
Modern. That was spot on. Perfect.
Basic, that was great.
Modern. That was epic. Impressive.
Basic, you are smart.
Modern. The way you think is really sharp.
Basic, you are funny.
Modern. You always crack me up.
Basic, you are kind.
Modern. You've got such a big heart.
Basic, nice work.
Modern. You crushed it.
Basic, you are a good friend.
Modern. I really value how supportive you are.
Basic, you did it.
Modern. You pulled that off like a pro.
Basic, you're talented.
Modern. You make it look effortless.
Basic, that's cool.
Modern. That's next level awesome.
Basic, I like your clothes.
Modern. That outfit really brings out your vibe.
Basic, I like your smile.
Modern. Your smile lights up the room.
Basic, you are helpful.
Modern. You always make things easier for everyone.
Basic, you are hardworking.
Modern. Your dedication really inspires me.
Basic, you are confident.
Modern. I admire how you carry yourself.
Basic, you are creative.
Modern. Your ideas are always so fresh.
Basic, that's interesting.
Modern. I love the way you explained that.
Basic, you are strong.
Modern. You handle challenges like a champ.
Basic, you are brave.
Modern. I respect how fearless you are.
Basic, you are polite.
Modern. Your manners are always on point.
Basic, you did amazing.
Modern. That was legendary.
Basic, you're nice.
Modern. You always make people feel comfortable. See? Same compliment, but now I actually believe it.
See how we can change a convo by just changing our way of talking. Your words has a
Right,
huge
totally
impact,
agree.
so choose them wisely.
Really,
And you'll
right?
see, people don't just hear compliments, they feel them. See you in the next episode with new content. Hope you are connected with us. Bye.